Digital Implant Workflow seminar was held in New York on August 21, 2019. It was mainly about the advanced dental digital workflow. The board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgery course was given by Dr. Bart Silverman. Mr. J.K. Kim from J.K. Dental Group gave a hands-on course. Mr. Paul Kim from DentiqGuide gave a course about IntraOral scanner and 3D printing process. The dentist inserted the implant on the printed model by using the universal kit. The best choice for your digital dentistry, DentiqGuide.